Question 13. In this same prophecy, how is the Church of Rome, the papacy, designated as the antitype of ancient Babylon?
Answer. And upon her forehead was a name written, Mystery, Babylon the Great, the mother of harlots and abominations of the earth. Verse 5.